Namaste students. In last video I explained calendar control. We already completed before basic controls that are text box, label, button, image, radio button, checkbox, that all are basic controls. After that there are rich controls. Rich controls like file upload control, calendar control, add rotator control, tree view control, menu control, multi-view and view control, wizard control. These all are rich controls, or we can say advanced control. In that we have already completed two controls, file upload control and calendar control. Now in this video I am going to explain add rotator control. Add rotator control. So first I am explaining it, and after that I will take one example on it. Many websites use advertisement banners to display some advertisements of different companies, and they generate income with it. If you are using regularly internet, then you have seen that many advertisement, some on top side, some on left side, right side or bottom side, sometimes on the center of the screen. Okay, you have seen advertisement there. You can see that some images are being rotated automatically one by one, which has advertisement banners for some companies. Most important thing is, when you click on that image, you are redirected to that particular website related to that company, and you can check more details related to that image on that website. સો આપણે ઘણી વખત જોતા હોઈએ છીએ કે આપણી વેબસાઇટ સર્ફિંગ કરતા હોય, વેબસાઇટ કોઈ બીજી ઓપન કરી હોય તો ત્યાં એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ આવે છે. એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ ગમે તે જગ્યાએ હોઈ શકે છે, લેફ્ટ, રાઇટ, ટોપ, બોટમ, અને એના ઉપર ક્લિક કરતાં એ જે તે વેબસાઇટ ઓપન થતી હોય છે, અને એને રિલેટેડ આપણે વધારે કન્ટેન્ટની વેબસાઇટ ઉપર જોઈ શકતા હોઈએ છીએ. Many times advertisement will rotate, and sometimes this happen that automatically rotate. I mean, if you not refresh page, then still that advertisement will change. ASP.NET gives you one very useful and important control to develop this type of advertisement banner. That control name is add rotator control. Okay, advertisement જે આપણે શો કરી શકીએ છીએ, સો add rotate થાય રાખશે rotator control. Add rotator is used to display different images and links randomly. Again, add rotator is used to display different images and links randomly. Add rotator control allows you to insert images and display them randomly into web pages. Creating add rotator and using it is quite an easy task, because we no need to write any code for it. Just we need to select image and set some properties from property window of add rotator control. Add rotator control has one property called advertisement file. Property name is advertisement file, which is basically a XML file So you just need to create one file, that is advertisement file. Then you need to attach, or you need to set that file in property of advertiser control. Advertisement file contains all the details, which image to display and which page, which website will be open when uh, click on that image. So link will be given, height and width we can set there. Now I am explaining advertisement file. So before, first I need to take that control, and then I will go to XML file and explain it, creating new website. Setting font size first. Now in the tool, from the toolbox, I am taking add rotator control, double clicking on it. In the property window, we can see here advertisement file. We just need to give link of advertisement file, only XML file. So I need to first create one XML file. How can I create XML file? That I am explaining first. Right click, then add new item, and then I will add one XML file. XML file, not XML schema, here XML file, and clicking on add button. Now I can write tag here, one root tag, that is advertisement tag, and then over. Now first tag I will add. Next one, this is one add. Okay, આ એક એડ થશે. જેટલી એડ તમારે એડ કરાવડાવી હોય એટલા એડ ટેગ આવશે. વન ઇઝ રૂટ ટેગ એડવર્ટિઝમેન્ટ્સ, દેટ વન ઇઝ રૂટ ટેગ. એની અંદર આપણે જેટલી એડવર્ટાઇઝ એડ કરાવડાવી હોય એટલા એડ ટેગ આપણે એડ કરાવવાના થશે. ઇન દેટ ફર્સ્ટ I am taking one tag, that one is image URL. ઓકે, આપણે અહીંયા એકવાર ચેક કરી લઈએ. ઇમેજ URL ફિલ્ડ માટે કયો ટેગ છે? ઇમેજ URL I and U કેપિટલ. એવું હોય તો અહીંયાથી જસ્ટ કોપી કરો and paste here. Okay, same as I am using here navigate U capital URL, and will over this tag I will also set height and width. tag over. Next one is I will add keyword tag over. I will add impressions and this tag over. ઓકે, આપણે આટલા એડ યુઝ કરવાના છીએ, આટલા ટેગ યુઝ કરવાના છીએ. One by one I am explaining it. Number of add elements are based on the number of images you want to show under Azure advertisement file. આ ફાઇલમાં આપણે જેટલી ઇમેજીસ ઓર આપણે જેટલી એડવર્ટાઇઝમેન્ટ શો કરાવડાવી હોય એટલા એડ ટેગ આવશે. ઓકે, સેકન્ડ વન, main root element. This element works as the root element of XML file. You should be aware that XML file should have only one root element. Only one root element is support in XML file. You cannot add multiple tag here. Then next one is image URL. This is used as sub element of add tag or add element. You can also call element or tag, both true. This is used as sub element of add tag. The purpose of image URL is to write the path of the image which you are going to display. આપણે ત્યાં કઈ ઇમેજ ડિસ્પ્લે કરવી છે એનો પાથ જે છે એ આમાં આવશે. Next one, width and height. This both are used to specify width and height of the image, while they will appear under add rotator control. Add rotator control માં height અને width જે છે એ આપણે ત્યાં કેટલી ઇમેજ કેવડી ડિસ્પ્લે થાય એ હાઇટ અને વિડ્થને સેટ કરાવડાવી શકીએ છીએ. નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ નેવિગેટ URL. One of the most important element of an advertisement file. When we click on any image, the control or link should be transferred to some specific location. With navigate URL, we can give URL of particular website. Link should be given fully, starting from like http:// and then www.google.com, like આપણે Google website open કરાવતા હોય તો. Next one is keyword. This element is used to specify keyword for all images. If you do not specify keyword in add rotator, then all the images specified under advertisement file are loaded randomly. આપણે જો સ્પેસિફાઈ કોઈ વર્ડ નથી કરતા, કીવર્ડ નથી આપતા, તો પર્ટિક્યુલરલી એ જ ઓપન થવાને બદલે કોઈ પણ જે બાકીની છે એ બધી રેન્ડમલી ઓપન થશે. એ હું પ્રેક્ટિકલી વધારે બેટર એક્સપ્લેન કરીશ. નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ ઇમ્પ્રેશન. This is also one of the most important element of advertisement file. Impression simply means importance. If you specify same impression value for all ads, all will display equal number of times randomly. Like I am opening this website 10 times, and there are two advertisements. One is here and second one is here. Then I am giving impression both here 1 and 1. Then approx 5 and 5 times this advertisement will open. Okay, if I am opening 10 times this website, then every time one time will open and one time will open this advertisement randomly. This is the ratio, but I am giving here 1 gem 3. So approx what happen in the 4 time open this website, advertisement will show most of this time 1 this time, 3 this time, 1 this time. So this is impression. At this time I am not passing value here. First I will give advertisement file link, that one is XML file, and now clicking on OK. So we just add ad rotator control. I explain XML file and all its tag, and I gave path of advertisement file, that one is XML file. ઓકે, આ વિડીયોમાં હું આટલું રાખું છું. નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં આપણે આ એક્ઝામ્પલ કન્ટિન્યુ કરશું.